up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, Kicking It With Court. Y'all, this heat is kicking my butt. And it's kicking my leave out. Like, my leave out is... but this leave out, y'all, is getting sweated out. But I got a remedy to get that together, but yeah, y'all. Shop with me. Shop sleep under you. And get y'all some butter. This is the outfit of the day. My little J's on. Something slight, not too much. I'm at this car show now. So hopefully this music don't get me copyrighted. But let me see if I can flip it. I don't know how to flip the camera, but these are some of the cars. If y'all see me, y'all see me. If y'all didn't, I'm sorry. But I'm in this Scat Pack right now. Y'all make sure y'all go head over to Trouble YouTube. That's my boyfriend. I think his is Trouble 392. Y'all find all his car stuff over there. If y'all into cars, go look at, go follow him. But we at his car show. Last time we did this, he won a trophy. So hopefully he won another one.
I can use your phone for my videos.
Head over to his channel. Go to his channel right now. What's your channel?
Yellow. Is it Yellow Trouble?
392.
392.
So go ahead, head over to Yellow Trouble 392 channel, and he has some lit videos over there too.
Is that a pin?
No, it's another place. But I think about giving y'all a tour of his car. It's hot. It's hot. But I'm gonna take this one so y'all can see his car. I got my phone on a y'all, it's hot, but I got me some Everfresh cherry limeade with some cheese puffs, and I'm hot. It's hot, and I just became a vendor for them. So next time they have an event, I'll be able to bring my hair and sell it. Cause y'all, it is about to be winter. Girls love their hair in the winter time. Y'all, these bees are vicious out here. I was a sweat, didn't get stung by a bee. Alright. But then it's too hot. He might start his car. And I get him some gas money. Cause my hair is done for. I'm waiting for these vendors to set up.
Well, I could do a quick little story time. I'm sorry, if y'all see me looking this way, I'm looking at this vendor set up. Ooh, that air feels so good.
Yeah. I ain't seen it since you had the wheels on. Yeah. You like them? Totally different. Totally different.
No, I can't wait to.
I found somebody. The bones are too.
I want me a charger so bad. Like, I want a charger real bad. Real bad. I was this close to get one, actually, a white one. But he was like, no, it's not good for the winter. But I don't know how to drive a charger. I would race somebody in a charger. For sure. We'll push it. I like driving fast. Real fast. But I feel bad, y'all. I didn't know. This is his trophy from last year, and he had it on the side of the seat, and I didn't know, and I guess I broke it. But his sister about to come through and they'll bring us some super glue. She's taking the kids to the movie theater. Oh, I could do a little Q&A right quick. Okay. Quick little Q&A about me. I'm 28. 2 kids. Business owner. Full-time mom, full-time job. I love watching TV. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. As far as movies, I watch the same movies over and over again. As far as like my favorite movie of all times, like I don't care how many times I watch it, is Just Friends. Then after Just Friends, I would say Just Friends and Confession of a Shopaholic is like my go-to top 2. Then I would say it would be bedtime stories. I love bedtime stories. Would be under bedtime stories. Dang. Matilda, Parent Trap, whatever. I watch all of those. Like, oh, I lied. My my top one is Baby Geniuses. Yeah. That's my top one. But TV shows now that I like,
y'all also didn't include
I would like to be
Sisters,
Simone.
the Tyler Perry show.
I need a boyfriend.
That is like my top one right now. But I meant to say, B. Simone
like
said,
that
would
one.
you
That was
be
the,
my
good one.
boyfriend?
Season. I really thought her and Homeboy was going to really last. But then he gave me a little sneaky vibes too, but they complimented each other. But I like watching baddies. Let me stop looking over there. I'm sorry. But I like watching baddies. It's just that some episodes give me like how do I say? Not baddies. it give me like they wanna, like the girls wanna be bad, but now you're like no, but it's like that's what they're supposed to be doing. Like, you know, I feel like it wasn't that much drama. For real.
Hey, Mama, you do making a YouTube video?
Yeah, give me a minute.
Okay. Ooh.
All right, close the door.
Okay. Mama, look at the man.
There's nowhere for y'all to sit.
It be over there. Mama, put shit up there.
I'm making a video.
Okay, Mama, be quiet.
Alright, so my kids doing me while I'm making this video, y'all. So, cause like I said, there's so many bees out there. But let me see. But yeah, I wanted to see a little bit more spicy drama. What other shows I like? I like P-Valley. P-Valley was good. For sure good. Then they got Lemonade. I know them bees about to be over there. But yeah, that's what I like to watch. And I like to watch YouTube. YouTube is like my number one thing to watch. Let me see. Y'all already know I have my own business. I said that. I like to hang out with my friends. I like to drink. I like to have fun, you know what I'm saying? But I'm lit. But they got some sounds. But yeah, y'all, we're the end of this video. I'm hot. I'm gonna go outside. But yeah, I'll catch y'all later. I might record another video later on today. Probably once my kids leave. It might be a grown-up video, you know what I'm saying? Okay, go ahead. I just love how guys, it's just like don't phase, but like bugs do not phase them at all. I mean, some women too, but me, gotta go, got to get the hell up out of there. But yeah, I think I'm gonna take y'all. I got a dentist appointment coming up. I know I did my story of my teeth journey. If y'all want me to vlog my journey of getting my teeth done, let me know, cause I am planning on I'm thinking about it, and going to get some. Hold on. Go get some veneers. I think. Oh, she bringing shots over, y'all. But yeah. That shit hurt my stomach. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, y'all. My hair is sweating. I'm getting sweaty. Well, not sweaty, but like sticky. Yeah, that's too, but I'm getting sticky. I can't set the camera back up no more. I had it, but damn. Okay, I guess that's the end of it. But I'm about to go ahead and do my little outro as soon as I can get the camera set up right. I shouldn't open up that door. Because he do not have a... Damn, he do not have a... There we go. Because he don't have a thing in his car. But, and I couldn't find a selfie stick. But y'all, I'm hot. I might get out for a little bit, walk around. I'm trying to run from the bees. But make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Comment what videos you guys want to see me do next. Get this video to 150 likes. Yeah, his people keep looking at me because I'm vlogging, but I don't think they know that I'm vlogging. Excuse me, but whatever. But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Get this video to 150 likes. Let me get like 50 more subscribers on this video too. So right now I should be at 100 subscribers. 150 subscribers. So yeah, run this video up, share with your friends, share with y'all peoples, y'all folks, whatever y'all gotta do. Just make sure y'all share this video. And again, I thank you guys for tuning in. I'm gonna get y'all to like cleaning their cars. Do I have his car down? I have his car down. Yeah, y'all see it. Get into it. Some more chargers. But yeah, y'all, thank y'all for tuning in. We got this thing. Bye.